up, baby Cole? You chewing?
I don't want it anymore. I don't want it. I don't want it. There you go.
What's up, baby Cole?
You eat it. You eat it. Mommy doesn't want it. Mommy doesn't want it. No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
Baby Cole, what's your sister doing over there?
No, no, no.
What's your sister doing over there?
You don't want it. Okay, put it on the plate. Put it on the plate. I don't want it.
Hey, Leah, what are you eating? What do you have?
What are you eating?
Dinner.
Dinner.
Want more?
There's no more corn in there. You took all the corn.
Cabbage.
You want cabbage? There's no cabbage in here.
Carrot?
Oh, you want carrot?
What's up, baby Cole?
That's a spoon. You okay? You okay?
That's gross. I'm not eating any more of that. Baby Cole's really trying to chew on stuff tonight. Hey, baby Cole, you chewing or what? What's going on, buddy?
That is peas. Good girl.
Look at that head. Look at a gigantic head. Nope.
What's that?
Do you like the teriyaki sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you eating beans and carrots?
No?
Nope.
No.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it, Leah. Leah, I don't want it. You had it. Don't, Leah, don't throw it on the floor, please. You want Joey to eat it. I don't know if Joey will eat that, honey.
Okay.
No.